Okay, quick one. Could Bitcoin's next price target be $70,000? I certainly think so. And we're going to talk about that in this video. So stay tuned if you want to find out why. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're brand new, what we do here on this channel is we focus on tips, tricks, and different investment opportunities that kind of help you stay successful in the space. So if you're interested in that kind of content, what I want you to do now is like this video, just so it helps YouTube know that people want to watch it. And definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more. Be sure to hit that little bell notification so you get notified as soon as I shoot a video. And that's it. Let's drive through. Alright, so I'm going to make this one real quick. I have been looking at the charts for some time, and this is the Bitcoin US dollar daily chart. Now what I have here is a bull flag, and you can see these two lines that I've drawn over here. Typically what a bull flag is a continuation pattern. It basically continues an upward trend and it just keeps sending it to the upside. Okay. Now I'm going to make this quick and I'm going to show exactly why I believe 70K is a good way to go. And to do that, we're going to look left. At any point in time when doing technical analysis, you want to look to the past and use that to get the basis of your information. So if we scroll all the way over here, I had another bull flag that I drew way back here. And this was when Bitcoin's price was somewhere around 30K. So we can see here right after it came out this flag, once it broke the resistance, it just had this great beautiful move all the way up to the upside over here. And if I make this smaller just so we can take a look, we can see that was a 70% move, pretty much. If you want to learn more about bull flags and other chart patterns, you can definitely Google those. There's a wealth of information online. Investopedia is one I quite like. I actually opened an article on this before I made the video. But then you can also see questions people will ask, and here someone saying bull flags are the most reliable and effective patterns. And I also found a few pictures and images of other bull flags that you can take a look at. So you see the flagpole on this side, that's really how they define the flagpole on this side. The two lines, and then you can see the price action would just kind of play around in it. Now typically once it breaks out above resistance at the top, you don't want to just rush into the trade. You want to make sure that it goes through a confirmation phase, so it comes back, retests that line, and respects it, and then you can expect that bullish run. Now, so if we go back to the chart, what's interesting about this, and we're gonna just zoom back in here, is you can see price was actually playing around, over here with resistance. We have what became support, and you can also view this on a line chart in case, just to make it kind of clear and you can see exactly where the points are. I prefer candles any day. That's exactly just what I know. And yeah, so now we've seen that initially I had a resistance line. So yeah, my chart is riddled with support and resistance lines. Forgive me if it's a mess, but I had previous resistance at, this is 57,672. Now we had a breakout out of my lines over here. We had a breakout out of the blue flag, and it's come over and tested that resistance. It broke through. This is the daily chart, so each of these candlesticks means one day. So over the past 3 days, Bitcoin's actually come, tested it, broken through it, and then it's doing a retest pretty much. So it came back, it closed right on that spot. So this is it respecting that resistance. So typically at this point, I want to say I feel very confident that this is going to play out the way it's going to do. So how do you make your predictions with bull flags? I'll show you from the past, and then we'll do it on the future, okay? We'll do it in the future. So here, if I want to adjust this and make this nicer, okay, my flag would have started around this candlestick, okay? Now, so I want to take the flag itself, what would have been the flagpole, and we measure that, and it should be right around where the whole thing started. So somewhere down here is, this will have been the base of the flag, and that's actually on the previous support. So we're just gonna take this, you can just pick it up, and then you put it right at the breakout candle. Okay, over there. And it's okay to allow for error or parallax. You take it just at the point of the breakout candle and you just put that right there, and that gives you what the price would have gone to from that pump. So the momentum that you can expect is really based up on the length of the flag. Okay, so you can simply just drop this. Now, my flag, as you can see, is slightly shorter than the support line. And I like that because when I trade, I don't want to test myself too much, okay? I like to trade within a safe region, so I take my profits because I'm pretty conservative that way. I don't exactly have to get every last cent, you know, just to be happy. So I would have been very happy with a move to 56K all the way from 33,000 if I was doing a trade on this. And so that's kind of the way I want people to think about it. So you simply just take it from the whole length. Simply just pick it up. It's the length of the flag. You kind of straighten it out. You put that whole thing there. So now that we've done that, let's go over to this section and we're going to draw a new line here, okay? So we have the top of our flag there, and this is actually where I believe it's going to. So I'm gonna just take this all the way down. So bring it out again straight to the breakout candle, and then I'm gonna check the price. So this is actually 72,376. That's what my target would be. Now, because I said I like to play it safe, even though the length of this line is saying 72,000, I would be taking profit somewhere around 70,000. Okay, because I like to play it safe. I don't want to overburden myself. And think about it, from 59,366 all the way to 70,000. That's going to be a tidy thing for me. So yeah, I want to know what you guys think. I want to know if you agree with me. I don't really make prediction videos often, and this is one that I just saw, and you know, I'm aching to make this work. So I want your comments and I want your thoughts, and I definitely want your likes. If you like this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, just to help YouTube know that, you know, people like the video, and that way YouTube actually makes this video available to other people to watch. Okay, so that's everything we're going to be talking about in this video. If you're interested in knowing when to buy and sell, so pretty much determining your own price targets. I know everybody seems to want trading signal groups and all those things. Everybody needs trading signals because nobody wants to do it themselves. But if you want to learn how to determine what is a fair price to buy and what is a fair price to sell at, definitely let me know in the comments as well. I'll be interested to see how many people give me that feedback, and then I could drop a video and show you exactly how I do mine. I really want your thoughts and feedback on this because I mean, these are my opinions. This is you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I just do and show exactly what it is that I'm doing, and so it's very important for me to actually have a discourse with you and kind of figure out if we agree with this, what are your thoughts and all that. And also bear in mind, this doesn't happen immediately. This is a daily chart. Remember I said all the candlesticks over here basically signify a single day. And so it's key to understand that this whole process all the way from 31,000 to 57K came over a course of weeks. Okay, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this was like 3 weeks. Okay, but it still happens, and that's the way bull flags work. So I hope this excites you. I hope you like this, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.